Hi guys, it's your virgin girl Joanna Jadelia. I should have done this without you. I'm here with the Hi guys, it's your virgin girl Joanna Jadelia, and today I am going I'm going to be showing you all how to cornrow, how all that kind of stuff. It's a learning process because I'm learning too. So this is really just for beginners or anyone who just wants to get a try at it. I have a guest.
Yo, I swear you edit out their bars, dog.
And he's my brother. Guys, this is Jahida. Okay.
You okay?
And I don't know. Yeah, so this is his hair. He's been growing it out for I don't know, about 2 years he says. So I'm just gonna be trying a style. He doesn't like pulling it back because he has a big forehead. So we're just like that. And this is what we're gonna be working with. So yeah. Alright guys, so I have parted some of his hair already. I'm not a good parter or whatever. So I did this part here. And now I'm just going to show you how I did it. Okay, so first, just gather all your hair together, giving him some edges. Look at that, y'all. Slay. Anyways, so okay. So I'm gonna get my rat tail comb and just come up in a straight line. That. Leave some hair out. Now with the hair that I just took, I'm gonna take 3 strands. 1 and this by my thumb, and then 2, 3, and the one in the middle. This is a little bit short, so we want to be able to pull them in plaiting. Okay, so I have my 3 strands here, and what we're going to do now is take the far right, which is in your right hand, and we're going to bring that underneath the middle, which I just showed you there. And your left hand, by your index, is going to collect it underneath. Okay. Now you take your far left now and put it under the middle, right here, which now becomes your middle. So make sure you're holding the hair tightly, not too tight, but just so you can get a grip on it. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna try to move back. So we're going to take more hair up and bring it underneath. And I'm going to do it again. So when you take up one underneath like this, you're pushing the hair that was already in that hand above. Yeah, I know it sounds complicated, but I'll show you all a little bit when I get more here in my hand. Okay, so that y'all can really see what's happening here. So, okay, so y'all see that? So now I'm going to, my index finger, using my nail, is going to take up some hair, right? Take it up, and then this strand, I'm going to grab it with the same index finger, pull it under. Then I'm going to take the middle piece at this time. So right now I'm taking the middle piece to the right. I'm also going to take my right hand, my right index. I'm going to just collect some hair at the same time, pushing my left strand underneath the middle. Be sure to separate at the end of the hair. Okay? So now our left came under the middle. And we just continue. I'm going to take my right hand now, the right strand, and now that is going to go underneath the middle while collecting the hair at that side on the left. Take up some hair with your index finger like that. Then put that strand underneath and pinch it together. My thumb is underneath here, but my thumb is a little small. See? Okay. All right. And we're going to go one more time. Take the hair. Look from here. Take it up. And while putting the other one underneath, you just do the same thing while holding it tight, because you don't want it to fuzz or fall out. Not as in the hair fall out, guys. Just as in it comes out of the hair plait. Okay, so we're going to do that again. And once you get the hang of it, you should be able to move faster. And while you go ahead, make sure you untangle the ends, because the ends are also going to start to plait also. So we're going to go again, take up here, and continue. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little bit better where I have more hair. So I'm now just detangling the end. You see I have my 3 pieces here. Now watch my right go underneath my middle, which now becomes my right. Then my left goes underneath, which now becomes my middle. And just continue like that. Right, go underneath, becomes the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you all how to do an X, which is still cornrow. So what I first did, I parted my 2 rows and then divided them into squares or rectangles. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your row here. I already started plaiting this one. So you're going to start plaiting that one, and instead of continuing to the square directly behind it, you're going to go to the square that is diagonally across from it. So that's what I'm about to do. Well, so remember, we're doing the normal cornrow, which is just picking up the hair as you go ahead. But instead of going straight down to the, as I'm going to show you now, straight down, you come across. So just try to gather that here. That's what I'm going to try and do here now. Okay, so here we go. You see, I take my index to take up some hair. I know this angle looks weird, but don't worry, we're going good. So the further one now becomes the middle, and you just keep alternating like that while detangling. So your right piece now goes underneath. I'm just trying to make sure you have the hair held tightly so it doesn't fall out of your hand, slip out of your hand. I'm just showing you, continuing underneath while picking up here. And go again. So now your right hand is going to bring your outer piece inwards to become the middle. See? And you collect it with your left hand. And just keep doing that. Keep continuing all the way down. Part your space. And go ahead. So right underneath the middle, which now becomes a middle, and then your left underneath the middle, which becomes a middle now, and then right again, and you do this still while picking up here as you go ahead. So now I have another diagonal square here, which I'm going to connect. Instead of going to the square that's behind it, I'm now going to be going to the square that is diagonal from it, diagonally across from it. This will give me a S kind of line, kind of cornrow. And really, in truth, you just do the opposite thing with the other squares that we left out. And that would give you your S. So I'm just going to continue cornrowing all the way to the bottom. And that is really how you do it. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.